Why are you so sad, kids? This is the ice cream shop. The owner of this shop, Penguin Pebbles, is not well. So this shop has not been open for a long time, so we can't eat any ice cream.
Don't worry about that. We came here to meet him, so can you please navigate us to his home?
That side. Oh, we don't have a key, then how can we open this door?
I have the penguin's spare key. If you need it, you need to do me a favor.
Okay, we will do what you want.
I've lost my treasured belongings in this box. Therefore, if you can find me, I'll give you the key.
Okay, we will find and give it to you.
Ha 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 ha! I lied to you. I don't have the key.
Oh no! He fooled us. We need to find another way to enter the house.
Hey, who are you?
We are sorry to break in, but we don't have any other choice to make.
Leave it, kid, so why are you here?
Dwarves send us here since you know where Santa is.
I'm trying to help you, but I'm so weak even I can't stand up.
We will help you, Penguin Pebble. What do you want?
There is a box on this sofa, inside which there will be a magical lens. You can use this lens to cure me. The keys for that box are scattered somewhere inside this house, but I forgot the place, and the book is also somewhere else.
Okay, we will definitely cure you.
Thanks for curing me, kids. I will give you the letter that contains the location of Santa, but before that I should supply the ice cream for those kids. Oh no, my ice cream machine is not working.
What happened?
I don't know. Can you please repair my ice cream machine?
Okay, Penguin Pebble, we will help you.
Thanks for all your help. For your kind help, I'll give you the address of Santa's location.
Thank you, Penguin Pebbler.